Almost everyone buys green onions with good intentions. You use a little for soup, noodles, or fried rice. Then a few days later, the rest turns yellow, soft, and slimy in the fridge. Most people think that's normal, but farmers have been using simple storage tricks for years to keep green onions fresh far longer than most people realize. Today, I'm going to show you 4 easy methods that can keep green onions fresh for weeks, months, and in some cases, almost an entire year. And the best part? You probably already have everything you need in your kitchen right now. Before storing anything, the first step is cleaning and sorting. Remove any damaged stalks immediately. If some leaves are dirty, bruised, or beginning to rot, take them out right away. One bad section can spread moisture and bacteria to the rest of the bunch surprisingly fast. This small step alone can extend freshness much longer than most people expect. I learned these methods from experienced growers who preserve vegetables every day. And honestly, some of these tricks completely changed the way I store food at home. If you're watching from another country, leave a comment below. It's amazing seeing people from all over the world connected through simple kitchen tips like this. Here's the first method. Start by cutting off the roots and the hard bottom section. It seems small, but this is one of the biggest reasons green onions spoil quickly. The roots trap dirt, moisture, and bacteria. If you leave them attached, the entire bunch can start rotting much faster. Next, separate the leafy green section from the root section. Place the roots into a sealed container and store them in the refrigerator. When you need them, simply rinse and use them again. And here's something most people don't realize. Those roots can actually be replanted and grown again into new green onions. With this method, the root section can stay usable for about 1 to 2 weeks in the fridge. Now for the method that saves the most cooking time. Take the cleaned green onion leaves and chop them into small pieces. I like washing them beforehand so they're ready to use instantly later. This turns green onions into a grab-and-go ingredient. No washing, no chopping, no extra prep while cooking. And honestly, dishes just look better with fresh green onions sprinkled on top. But they're not only for appearance. Green onions contain vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and natural antioxidants. Such a small ingredient adds surprising flavor and nutrition. After chopping, place everything into an airtight container. Then move it straight into the freezer. The cold temperature slows spoilage while keeping most of the flavor and color locked in. With this method, green onions can last between 1 and 3 months. And every time you use some, close the lid quickly to keep moisture out. This next method surprises a lot of people. All you need is aluminum foil. Most people use it only for baking or wrapping leftovers, but it can also dramatically extend the life of green onions wilt so quickly. Cut a sheet large enough to wrap the entire bunch. Then gently roll the onions inside. Don't wrap them too tightly. Too much pressure bruises the leaves and actually speeds up spoilage. What makes this work is surprisingly simple. The foil helps reduce exposure to air, light, and outside bacteria, 3 major reasons green onions wilt so quickly. At the same time, it helps maintain stable moisture inside the bundle without trapping too much water. It's such a simple change, but the difference is noticeable. Stored this way in the refrigerator, green onions can stay fresh anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks, depending on conditions. Now for the longest-lasting method of all, drying. Spread the chopped green onions evenly on a tray lined with foil. Try not to overlap them so they dry evenly. Then place the tray into an air fryer at a low temperature, around 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry them for about 22 minutes. And when you open the air fryer, you'll have light, crispy green onions with an incredible aroma. If they still look slightly green and smell fresh, that means the drying process worked perfectly. No burning, no bitterness, just concentrated flavor. These dried onions work beautifully in soups, fried rice, noodles, eggs, and stir-fries. Store them in an airtight container immediately after cooling. If exposed to moisture, they'll quickly lose their crisp texture. At room temperature, they can last up to 6 months. In the refrigerator, they can last up to a full year. So those are 4 simple ways to keep green onions fresh longer, without expensive equipment or complicated tools. A few small changes can save money, reduce waste, and make cooking easier every single day. Honestly, once you start using these methods, throwing away spoiled green onions feels completely unnecessary. If you know another storage trick, share it in the comments so everyone can learn from it too. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home DIY Tips, and turn on notifications for more smart kitchen tips and food-saving ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.